Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we will be going over what the custom mode is in the Arlo app. Let's get started. The custom mode allows you to create unique modes, schedules, and geofence for each of your Arlo devices. If your cameras are connected to your router's Wi-Fi, you will manage each camera's custom modes separately. When cameras are connected to your Arlo Smart Hub, the custom modes will be managed through the Smart Hub, but you can add the modes with different camera rules. To set up custom modes for your device, you will first need to turn them on. Open the Arlo app and tap Routines. From here, tap on Modes and next tap the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Custom Modes and tap the toggle to turn the custom mode on. Hit Done, and the custom mode will appear as a fourth option under Modes. From here, tap on the icon next to Custom Mode to activate it, and next tap the arrow next to it. Under the devices, you will have the options for arm, disarm, schedule, geofence, and any custom mode you create. The arm option can be customized, but by default, it is set to detect motion, send a notification when motion is detected, and record a video if your camera is attached to an Arlo Secure plan. While the disarm option cannot be customized, it is used to put your cameras into an idle state. You can add your own custom modes to the device by clicking the plus icon next to it. With the help of custom modes, you can now use the schedule with Geofence together. You can set up the system to switch to armed when you leave your house and to work based on a schedule when you come back. To switch between modes for your device, go back to the Mode page, make sure Custom Mode is enabled, and tap on the two arrows next to your device under Custom Modes. Next, choose the mode you want to change to. Please note that custom modes and any schedule or geofence that is set up work separately from the app automations. They do not work at the same time. We hope this video answered your questions about custom modes. Make sure to check out our other videos to see how to edit and set up the custom modes. Links are in the description. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.